Okay, we're talking relationships here, and after many years together, you may not find it. You may find it not hard to be a little bored with your significant other. What's a nice way of saying that?
Right. You're getting a little bored. You got to find that spark, that fire just a little bit. Dr. V, intimacy expert, is here to talk about how we can keep that spark and make our relationship still feel fresh.
Fresh, yes, so fresh and so clean and exciting.
So fresh and so clean. How do we do that, though?
Yeah, so I think one of the first things that you want to really consider is to be able to, like, just change things up in your surroundings, right? That's one of my favorites anyway. So that's when you say, okay, let's be spontaneous and let's come up with something new that we're going to do. Let's just get out. Let's go do something we've never done before. I'm a big fan of novelty in a relationship, within reason, when appropriate, is to just try something neither one of you has ever done. And don't blame each other if the date doesn't go very well, or if the cuisine doesn't work, or maybe maybe the comedian wasn't that funny. Don't blame each other, but just try something new for both of you. Okay. Sometimes someone will say, like, "Ooh, I found this restaurant and I studied the menu," and this. I'm like, that's not fun. Like, you know, you got to keep it spontaneous. Of course, you can keep spontaneity in other areas of your relationship as well, but for sure with dates and doing something kind of fun. Something new. I know, like, for instance, my husband, as I was getting ready this morning, he's like, let's go do something fun. I'm like, okay, so I don't know where we're going to go, but we're going to do something fun probably tonight. So, yeah, we'll see.
That's cool. Yeah. Let's talk about hobbies. How can you kind of add to that?
Again, doing something that neither one of you has, maybe you're not adept at it, but just doing something different. So that if that's joining a walking club, or doing some sort of art class together, or salsa lessons. I mean, we're in Houston. There's going to be a lot of that. Or a ballroom dance. Maybe you've never done that sort of thing before. Just the effort of doing something new. First of all, it's good for you. It's good for your brain. Yeah. But it's also going to be really fun and maybe funny, which is always fun. Yeah, laughing and being able to see your partner in a new light is really exciting, too.
And then speaking of new, sometimes new locations, a new place to be. Yeah,
well, I mean, just within your home, you know, maybe you're looking at the same bedspread that you've had for the past decade. Changing that up can make your room feel a little bit new and different and exciting. Changing the cushions on your couch, or maybe even rearranging the furniture, it can maybe make things feel a little bit fresh for the two of you as well. New perspectives. Maybe it's a little bit more exciting because maybe you don't want to totally redo the entire place, but just changing that can help a lot too. Maybe instead of eating always at the banquette at the kitchen, you're eating at your actual dining room. Maybe you go outside now that it's amazing and we've all fallen back in love with Houston. You can do that too.
Yeah. Really quick, we're almost out of time, but how about switching roles?
Yes, so if you're always the planner, tag, you're it. It's time for your partner to plan.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like that. Good tip. All right. Dr. V, thanks so much.
Thanks, guys.
Appreciate it.
Still ahead, we are talking, so we know fall, and we say fall is here.
Yeah.
Some stuff is falling. The temperatures are falling. Sally Back found herself out